Hi. Hey beauties, it's Nikea here, really up close and personal. I am going to be touching up the roots of my hair. So if you didn't see my video where I needed to change and I colored my hair, go check that out. I did that in August of this year and I wanted to keep this color and I wanted to like refresh the actual color parts of my hair and then color my roots as well. And this will probably be the last time that I color my hair for a good long while. I just needed to change, but I did want to update and refresh the color because I liked it and I want to keep it for a while, but I'll probably let it grow out after this. So I'm using the same color I used before. It is the Cream of Nature Exotic Shine color in the shade Bronze Copper. Harper! Did y'all hear anything I said? Because Harper just was talking in the background. And this is a level 7.64. I just love this color. It's like a blondish, reddish, copper brown-ish color. Like all of those things wrapped into one. Of course, it comes with the developer and the color. I bought 2 boxes again. You also have your instructions and a set of gloves. It comes with this intensive conditioning treatment. I have 2 of those, which I know it's not gonna be enough for my hair, but luckily I have a full-size product in my bathroom. And it comes with the argan oil treatment, which I love. And I just leave these in my hair. I've actually seen somebody put this inside of the color, and this oil is actually too much, even one of these. So I might put one of these like in the color while I'm mixing it. Okay, I'm going to show you all really quickly how I'm going to mix the color. I'm actually going to mix it in the bowl. So I'm going to add the developer first. Alright, now I'm going to add the cream hair color. I'm going to take this applicator brush that I have and mix that all together. I'm going to take my dimming brush and gently go through the section and detangle. And while I'm going through each section, I am keeping an eye on the color. And since I've used it before, I know that like once it turns purple inside the bowl, then it's ready. So I see it changing. Alright, my hair is all detangled in its sections. Just went through it really quickly and gently with the dimming brush. My color is looking developed. So I know by this purple color here. And I'm just going to add that oil in there. So I'm just going to add one of those olive oil. I'm just going to add one of these argan oil treatments. Just add an extra step of nourishment to the hair. And I'm just wearing a tank top and this black robe, so just in case I do get color on it, it's not going to show up. I'm going to take off my Fitbit because last time I got color all over that. So I'm actually going to apply the color the same way that I did when I was coloring my entire head, because I want to freshen up the color on my ends. And you know your roots will develop quicker than your ends, so you want to do that last, and that's going to allow for some dimension. I've sectioned out a portion of hair here. Apply color where I already have color, and then I'm going to work it in. And I'm just going to keep doing that. Not applying anything to my roots yet, because I don't want to put anything on my roots too soon. And then I have super light roots. And with this part, I'm not being too meticulous or precise with it because there's already color up here. I'm just trying to warm the color up, kind of bring some life back to it, and keep those dimensions and levels in my hair. All right, now that I have it all over those sections that are already colored, just going to work it through with my hands. Then again, waiting to apply it to my roots, because that portion of my hair is closer to my scalp, and the heat from my scalp is going to allow that to develop more quickly. And I noticed that the last time I colored my hair, because my roots are lighter. All right, just gonna do the same thing to the other sections. And y'all already know, disclaimer, I am by no means a professional whatsoever. And my philosophy with hair is, it's your hair. You can do what you want to it, okay? And guess what? It grows if you mess it up. And you can get a weave or wear a wig until it gets back right. You all also know that when you're coloring your hair, yes, all right, you all know when you're coloring your hair, you're actually damaging the hair when you deposit color, because it's opening up that cuticle so that color can get into your hair. But you know, it's purposeful damage, but you can prevent major damage if you take care of your hair, you know, before, during, and after the coloring. And that's why I like Creme of Nature, because they give you a product that is going to treat your hair well while it's in the coloring process, and they give you products to take care of your hair afterwards. Because I'm lifting the natural color of my hair. That's lifting the shaft of those cuticles to deposit that color. Because how else you gonna get color in there? But that's why I definitely thought it was best to wait in between the coloring applications. And I think it's been 10 or 12 weeks since I colored my hair. Because I was gonna touch it up at 10 weeks, but life got busy and I didn't have time. So I think it's been like 12 weeks. So if you are gonna color your hair yourself and you're not a professional, definitely take some time in between coloring sessions. And another thing you can do is to apply a protein treatment 24 hours before you're going to, at least 24 to 48 hours before you color, just to add some extra strength and protection to your hair before you actually do a chemical process. And I can already see this side already lifting a little bit. But I know for sure from the last time coloring that the ends of my hair take a longer time to process. And I do want them to be lighter. So that's why I'm doing this method. All right, so now I'm going to go back through the sections. All right, this last section is down. So I'm just going to go through. I'm actually going to use smaller sections. And I'm going to paint the color on my roots where there's that new growth. So, you know, if you've ever had a relaxer, this is throwback for you. So that same method you would use as if you were applying a relaxer to new growth. And I also sweep the brush up to the next section to kind of get some pre-color up there, making sure I'm getting all parts. I think I have a pretty good amount of new growth. I want to say about an inch. I wish my hair grew an inch every month. And then the same way I worked it through my ends, I'm going to do the same thing for these roots. Then I'm also going to take the brush and put it in that part, just to make sure that the color gets on every strand. So I'm just massaging it through the hair, and not massaging it into my scalp, just through the hair. Even getting those little beady beads in the kitchen. So again, like I said, doing a little bit smaller sections. I can already see this color is like even lighter. I'm loving it. Again, I just want to do smaller sections to make sure that it is evenly distributed. And when you get up front here, you want to make sure that you apply it to your edges as well. I did miss some edges last time I did this. And making sure I get in between the parts, in between the sections. And then just work the product through the hair once again. And remember, not rubbing it into the scalp. All right, so now I'm going to just take these clips off. And I'm actually going to put a plastic cap on my head and let this color process for about 15 minutes. And then I'm gonna come back because I still have some of the color left, and I'm just going to just kind of brush it through. Just have a little bit left and just brush it through to give some dimension to my hair, and then let it process for 15 more minutes. So my plastic cap is a plastic bag, and I'm actually just gonna clip it closed with this. So I'll see y'all in 15 minutes. Happy laps. Woo! So I want to add, I need to put on another glove. So I want to add some of this color like to this part of my hair when I flip it, and then when I flip it down. So I'm just gonna take the brush and just shoop, shoop, shoop. Shoop, shoop, shoop. And then bring it down. There's no method to this, y'all, I promise. I'm just literally just painting. Oh my god, this color looks even more bomb than it did the first time. Okay. Alright, so putting my cap back on. I found that it was better for me to hold my head upside down. Alright, when we come back, I'll show you the results. I am going to shampoo my hair with the Argan Oil Moisture and Shine shampoo, and of course put the intensive treatment in it. This is my full-size bottle, and I also have the oil treatment in my hair, and I'll let you all see it wet, and I'll let you all see it dry. And that's it for my color touch-up. So I'll be back. All right, y'all, I'm back, and now it's time for the big color reveal. All right, sorry I had to move the camera. So this is the reveal because this color looks so different from the first time. This is how I wanted it to look. But can y'all see that? I'm a redhead. Y'all, I freaking love this. This is nothing on my hair. There's just water. And after I rinsed the color out and shampooed my hair, it did feel dry. So I was like, yes, I definitely need to deep condition. Like, what? Y'all, I love being a redhead. But here's the back. I probably still have some product on my neck.
Mommy?
Yeah, so now I'm gonna actually blow dry it using the tension method. I have a video on that. You can go check that out. I'm not gonna show that to y'all, and I'm gonna come back and show you what the color looks like on dry stretch hair. All right, y'all, here is my hair stretched. I feel like there are some parts where like I missed the color. Like there's a small part over here, a small part over here, but it's deep inside. It's not bothering me. I love the way this color turned out. I feel like it's more red than it was the first time, which I'm not mad about, and it's more noticeable. Like I wanted it to be noticeable. And there's dimensions in here, y'all. Like there's some darker parts, there's lighter parts when I pull it back. Like, yay! I'm so excited. But But that's it for this hair color touch-up video. Thank you so much for watching, beauties. But before you go, I want you to go down below and click that subscribe button. And right next to that, click that bell notification button so that you never miss when I post. Like I always say, it's free, it's easy, and it's fun. Why does Harper know my tagline? It's so bad. Again, thank you so much for watching, beauties, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.